To share access to your Blink camera with another phone, both devices must have the latest version of the Blink Home Monitor app installed. Start on the primary phone, the one that originally set up the camera. Open the app, tap into your camera's settings, and look for the option to share or manage users. From there, enter the email address linked to the second person's Blink account and send the invitation. On the second phone, the user will receive an email notification. They'll need to open the Blink app and accept the invitation to gain access. Once accepted, the second phone can view the live feed, access recorded clips, and control basic camera settings. However, the main account holder keeps full administrative control unless additional permissions are granted. For security, Blink uses encrypted authentication and requires two-factor authentication for shared users. Make sure both devices are connected to a stable internet connection during setup, preferably the same Wi-Fi network for initial configuration. If sharing doesn't work, update the app, check for camera firmware updates, or resend the invitation from the primary account. After setup, both users can access the camera remotely as long as they have internet access. If the shared user loses access, simply revoke and resend the invitation from camera settings. Always share access carefully and review user permissions regularly to maintain privacy and control.